If you have been thinking about how you can create ebooks using Canva, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the entire step-by-step process of how you can create a simple ebook using Canva. Now, I need you to know that before you create your ebook, there are steps, there are processes, there are some things you need to have done before you come to the stage of creating your ebook. I'm not going to be talking about all of that, but if you want to learn more about that, what you need to do is to go to the link in the description. Check the link in the description. You will see links to other videos I've done about creating ebooks. But in this video, I just want to show you the exact step-by-step process of how you can create your ebook using Canva. There are different ways to create ebooks, but this one is particularly for those who want to be using Canva to create ebooks. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online, and I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. You want to do that so you don't miss whenever I post interesting videos like this. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Let me show you how you can create an ebook using Canva. So for you to be able to use Canva to create your ebook, you need to first download the Canva app. So in case you don't know what Canva is, it's an app that helps you to design, from pre-made templates. It helps you to create design. Even if you are a beginner, you can use Canva to simplify your work in terms of design. You can design logos, you can design thumbnails, you can design flyers, and whatever design you want to create. So let's get into Canva. This is a Canva app that you see here. So I'm going to click on it, and once I click on it, it's going to open the app. In your case, if you're starting with this app for the first time, you have to download it and then sign up, and it will bring you to a dashboard, right? I'm going to show you the dashboard. So let me just come home here. Let me come home here so that it will just take us to the dashboard directly. So while this is opening, you need to understand that for you to be able to create your ebook, you should have had your content ready. Okay, you should have had your content ready. So let's say you are not a writer, but you want to just create an ebook. How do you really get your ideas? In case you don't know how to brainstorm, you don't want to think too long before you get your content, you can use ChatGPT to create your content and then bring it to Canva. Are you getting it now? So let me show you how to use ChatGPT to create your content very, very fast. What you're going to do is to go to the ChatGPT app, which you are expected to download. Look at the app here. Can you see it? So you click on it. Make sure to download the app. Once you download the app, it's easier for you to use. You download it, you sign up, and then you will have a dashboard like this. So with this ChatGPT, you can actually create content without having to think for too long, without brainstorming for too long. So let's say we want to create a book about how to sell properties, okay? How to sell properties, how to sell landed property, or let's say how to start real estate business, okay? Real estate business. All right, I want to write about, I'm doing this very fast now, so this video will not be too long. How to start real estate business in Nigeria. Okay, if you're not a Nigerian, don't worry, you can still apply this to whatever you're doing. So create a short ebook about this title. Now what we are doing is that we are prompting ChatGPT to give us a book. All right, we don't want to think too hard, we don't want to waste our time. We are prompting ChatGPT to give us a book that is about this title. All right, so once you do this, now you just click on the arrow, this arrow that points up, click on it, and it will start creating the book for you. Okay, if you're very lazy like me, If you're very lazy like me, you can actually use this concept to create your content very, very fast. If you want to learn how I create content like this, just go to the link in the description. There's a link there. Check for it. You can actually use this method to simplify your content creation process. All right. This is what most people use nowadays, especially if you know how to prompt. So as you can see now, you can see that it has broken down the book into different parts for us. Now you can go ahead and continue to prompt this tool, telling it to expand the book for you. All right. If you want more, you can tell it to expand the book for you. If you want more, you can tell it to expand the book for you. But for now, for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too long. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy the results that we have. So we copy it. Let's say this is all the book. You copy it. All right. Make sure you're satisfied with what you want. You copy it and then you take it to your notepad. All right. You take it to your notepad. Let's go to notepad here. You should have a notepad on your book, on your smartphone. Create a new document in your notepad and paste what you have copied. Paste it here. Can you see? You paste it here. Now, why are you pasting it here? So that it can help you to work better. All right. So it is from here now we start copying the content and taking it to Canva. Are you getting it now? It makes your work very seamless. You can do this in less than 20 minutes, 30 minutes if you are very good with this method I'm showing you. Okay. So next thing is to go back to our Canva. So I'm going to go back to Canva here and open Canva. Now watch the process I'm going to follow. This is very, very easy and very, very simple. So once you open the Canva app, after you have signed up, you wait for it to load. Once you wait for it to load, what you are going to do now, let's wait for it. So this is the Canva app. You're going to come to the top area here and type ebook. You're going to type what? Ebook. You are going to type ebook. Once you type ebook, because we are creating an ebook, so you enter it. So once you type ebook, it's going to bring out different templates for ebook. But pay attention to what I want to do now. You are not going to pick any of the choices here. You are going to click on create blank. Are you following me now? You click on create blank. So I'll click on create blank because we are building it from scratch. All right. If assuming we're designing something, we would have just pick a template. But for now, we are just creating an ebook. So watch me now as I create this ebook. Very, very easy. So this is still loading actually. This is still loading actually. So let's wait for it to load. Yes, as you can see, it has finished loading. If you look at down, if you look at below there, you are going to see text. All right. You are going to click the text. All right. You're going to choose this one. Add a little bit of body text. Just click on it and it's going to open this for you. So once you have this now, it means that you are ready to work. So we are going to go and copy our text and come and paste it here. Are you getting it now? It's very easy process. You take it here. You come here now. All right. We copy this. Right. Watch me. We copy it. This process can be done on your laptop and on your smartphone. Cut. You can copy, you can cut. Then you come to this place and we're about to paste it. We are pasting it. We paste. Let me click on it again. Follow me, guys. Watch this now. I will paste it. Are you seeing now? Everything has been pasted. Are you seeing? Let me open it again. Can you see? Everything has been pasted. So what you just need to do is to start editing and making it look good. If you want to edit it before you come here, that's still a very good option, which I will suggest that you edit it before you bring it here. Are you seeing it now? So you can see. So you take your time and do the editing. Take your time and do the editing. Somebody might be asking me now that, sir, how do you create more pages? It's very simple. How do you create more pages? Watch me. You create more pages by doing this. You click on this white spot here. You click on it and then you scroll below. Scroll. Can you see more? On the right side below, click on more. Once you click on more, you are going to see duplicate. Can you see duplicate? You click on duplicate. Are you seeing it? Once you click on duplicate, the page has become 2. Let me show you. Can you see? The page has become 2. So you click on the number 2. All right. You click on number 2, meaning that you want to edit the second one. Then you copy it. All right. You highlight. You highlight it by holding it for long. It will show select all. You click on select all. All right. Now it's highlighted. You go to your notepad again. You pick chapter 2. Are you seeing now? Pick chapter 2 and you copy. You go back to Canva again and what do? You paste. You paste. Are you seeing now? You keep repeating this process. You keep repeating this process and continue repeating the process. Now, let's say you want to add a bold text or you want to make a text bold. Let's use this one now. What I'm going to do in my own style, how I edit in my own style. If I want to turn this chapter 2, choosing your real estate business model, if I want to turn it to a bold text, what I will do is to duplicate this text. I will duplicate the text. You click on the text once and you see this icon here. You click on it. It's going to duplicate the text. Are you seeing now? So I will move this one down. Watch me, guys. Watch me carefully. I will move this one down and I will come to the top one and highlight. I will highlight this one. Okay. Watch me. Or probably if the highlight is giving me a problem, I'm going to just delete. I'll click on delete. One by one, I'll start deleting. Are you seeing now? So I will highlight again and scroll to where I want to delete all that I want to delete. Cut. Watch me, guys. Watch me. Watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. I'm doing this very fast because I don't want this video to be too long. So you delete all these ones, delete all these ones, cut. That cutting is another way to delete. So let's put everything together now. I'll bring this one that is below here. This one that is below here, I will move it in. Can you see now? Moving it in. Then I will come to this chapter 2. Remember what we are doing here is to make it bold. So I'll click on it and I will scroll like this, right below. Look at this B that has format. I'll click on it and I'll click on B. Once I click on B, can you see it has become bold? Very, very easy. You can pause this video and watch the entire process again. Can you see? Let me bring it here. So all you just need to do is to use ChatGPT and then come here and start doing your editing. Very, very easy. Can you see? You move it in, you zoom in. You move it out, you zoom out. Very, very easy. So you keep duplicating the pages and re-editing, duplicating the pages and re-editing, and copying your content from your notepad, coming here to post it or paste it, and duplicating and editing until you get your final results. Although this is a tedious process which I do not really recommend if you are a beginner. But for those who have been asking me about how to create ebooks with Canva, that's why I'm creating this video. But for me, I use Google Docs because it's very easy. I just copy everything and paste it there and edit everything once and for all. But if you're somebody that you want to create children's book, you want to create short stories for children, this is a very good one. You want to create an ebook of, let's say, 10 page, this is a very good way to go. Or maybe you want to be adding pictures, this is also a very good way to go. Okay, so let's say you are done with whatever you are doing. How do you now download it? Watch me. How do you download it? The best way for you to download your ebook is to download it as a PDF. All right, a PDF allows you to be able to read, allows people to be able to read your book. So how do we download as a PDF? We come to the top right here. You see this arrow here pointing up. We click on it. That is what you should click. If you click any other thing else, it will stress you. You'll be downloading a picture instead of an ebook. So that arrow I showed you, let me go back. This arrow that you see on the top right there, that's what you click. You click it and then you come to download. Just click on download. Once you click on download, then it will give you the option of how you should download it. That is why I told you to click that one. If you go and click any other thing else, you will not get this option. Are you seeing it now? So how do you download it as a PDF? You come to this place that you see PNG. PNG is telling you to download it as a picture. Don't do that. Click on it once and then you see PDF standard. Are you seeing PDF standard? You see PDF standard, you click on PDF standard. Once you click PDF standard and then you click on download. Once you click download, your book will be downloaded to your phone. So it will be downloaded to your phone. But before you download it, here's something very important you should take note. You need to title the book so that when you download it, you'll not be looking for it on your phone. So how do you title it? You come to the top here. Look at these three dots. Click on the three dots. Are you seeing it now? You click on the three dots. So how do you edit? You come here now. Can you see this place on the top? Add a little bit of body text. Click on it. Are you seeing it now? So let's title the book. What do we title it now? We call it How to Start Real Estate Business. Are you seeing now? Go. It has been titled. Are you seeing it now? The book has been titled. So let's download it now. We click on that arrow again and come to download and come to PDF standard. Once you click on that, once you download, it's going to be downloaded to your smartphone and you are going to see the title the way you have titled it. Are you seeing this now? This is a very seamless and smooth process to create your ebook using Canva app. Okay, I believe that you have learned something today. If you have gotten value from this video, please kindly like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss anything I am posting on this channel. Okay, like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And also, before I go, if you want to learn how to make money by creating ebooks, you want to really learn how exactly we make money by selling ebooks online, go to the link in the description. I have a course, a program that will show you a step-by-step video of everything you need to know when it comes to creating and selling ebooks and making money from it. Just go to the link in the description or check the pinned post in my comment section. Check the pinned post in my comment section. I'll drop all the details there. Do well to click it and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.